USB-C headphone adapter compatible with most of Type-C smartphones. USB-C to 3.5mm Jack Headphone Adapter is perfect for connecting your 3.5mm headphones or earbuds to USB-C smartphones. Compact portable design. Plug-play. No need to install any software driver. Adapter for USB-C devices. Top reviews from the United States. Just what we needed. OMG. Just glad it works. We bought a warehouse phone without phone jack. Less than $6 got this converter and voila, it works great. Thank you seller and thank you Amazon. Headphone jack. Works great, now I can plug my headphones into my iPad. Sound is great. Good quality for the price. Simple to use. No drama.